My name is Tyler Adams. Most probably know me as T-Bone, and I am so delighted to be here tonight. All right, I'm gonna need more than that. I got a long night ahead of me. But first of all, I want to thank you all for coming out and supporting vocal music and our select choir tonight. It means a lot to us. It's a big show. We always love doing it for you. We're going to start you off with Mary, Mary, the holiday season, and Jingle, Jingle, Jingle.
Merry,
Now, I know most of you know that we're here for the Halloween show, but this year, Cadet has her own class before our choir. That is Pioneer Time, and we work on our own songs. So we are going to have our select choir sit down for this one, and vocal music actually join our select choir, or our Pioneer Time, sorry, for You Make It Feel Like Christmas, featuring Maverick Smith and Raylan Moore. Next up, we got something very special for you guys. Miss Canette's daughter is over the West Choir class. Woo! And we're going to bring them up for a couple songs. Now, we take the opportunity to do anything with these kids as much as possible, because a lot of people don't know about choir when they first get to high school. And for a lot of us, it's our first time ever being a part of something like this. So it's huge to be able to get something like an elementary school's choir out there, just to spread the word a little bit, because it's good to know. And for a lot of people to not know, I hate it and it's sad. But we are also thankful we're at this point and cannot wait for all of these awesome young kids to be at high school and be a part of Miss Canette's class one of these days. All right, as they get set up, I'm going to give you one little joke here. Do any of you guys know what you're supposed to get your parents for Christmas? A wish list. Okay, I know I'm not that funny, but they're going to be singing a song called Believe, as well as a Grinch medley featuring soloist Davin. So here they go.
Christmas.
How about that? We love having these West kids here, especially for the Christmas show. It really adds to the show. It's the touch that we love to have that we don't always know we need. But next up, a little bit like earlier, except vocal music will sit down along with the rest of the select choir this time. We are only going to have Miss Canette's Pioneer Time. For the Pioneer Time songs, we will be singing White Winter Hymnal, Blue Christmas, which is a duet by Tage and Dakota Moore, and then White Christmas, featuring Sophia Womack and Isaac Jones. All right, real quick, we're gonna have Select stand back up, but first, I do want to thank tonight's sponsors, featuring our choir vice president, Susanna Netherton. We got Pioneer Pediatrics, Netherton Family Dentistry, The Bike Bar, Custom Vinyl, Citizens Tri-County Bank, Donald Hillis Realty and Auction, United Diamond Brokers, and First National Bank, as well as Hayes Fire Protection. So thank you guys all so much. Up next, we will be starting, just Select Choir this time, we will be starting Christmas Time Is Here featuring Bailey Nord and Trace Taylor. And then we will be singing 2 of our Candlelight songs. And if you don't know what Candlelight is, this group you see standing right here is about to go to Disney in 10 days. 10 days. So we're super ready to go. But we will be singing Shout for Joy and Angels from the Realms of Glory in a show there at Disney. So that is what those 2 are from. But first up, Bailey Nord and Trace Taylor.
Christmas time is here, happiness and cheer, fun for all the children call their favorite time
We're now down to the final stretch. We got 4 more. And for these first 3, we're going to have vocal music stand back up, and we're all going to join back along. Now, we got Holiday Film Festival and then an Alvin and the Chipmunks song that I really, really want you guys to sing along with me because, or not me, but us, because I think it would be really fun. We love that song. And then we have Little Drummer Boy, Peace on Earth. So don't forget, I need y'all to sing along. Alvin and the Chipmunks. You'll love it.
It's the spirit of the season. You can feel it in the air. You can hear it if you listen everywhere. So much care, like a prayer. Whatever it is you need to share it. It's the spirit of the season. You
least, is a classic for Select Choir. And all of these former choir members I see sitting down here in the front row, and a few scattered about, I would love to ask to come up here to sing along with us. Christmas in about 3 minutes. Come on, Tally. Come on, Tally. Sophie Crabtree, somebody called you out. I'm so sorry. Dylan Womack. Allie has to go. I don't. Come on. Y'all stop hiding. Let's go. Am I missing anybody? Who am I not seeing? Come on, it's Christmas in about 3 minutes. Is this all I got? All right, we're rocking with it. Christmas in about 3 minutes. Before we leave, this is our last song, so before we leave, I do want to say, if you want to have pictures or talk with your kids or friends, we will exit out that door. We ask you to please exit out the back out there, just to keep everybody from getting crowded down here. Thank you guys so much for coming and supporting all that we do. Thank you, Kenneth, for all that you do for us. And last but certainly not least, thank all of you parents that are so wonderful and supportive in all of this. It means so much to us, more than you guys will ever know. So let's get a hand clap for that, parents. For one last time, for all of us seniors, Christmas in about 3 minutes.
Christmas.
Thank you guys so much for coming out. Please be safe on the way home. Yeah, once again, thank you guys so much for coming out. Head out that way.